Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check the app version and make a quick backup of messages. That protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, open settings and navigate directly to privacy or chat settings where timer's live. Next, inspect the current timer value and the available intervals. Some apps use seconds, minutes, or days. Make sure you have admin or account permissions. If not, request them now. Start the change by selecting the timer control to edit. Now you adjust the timer precisely. Pick an interval that matches your needs, seconds for ephemeral notes, minutes or days for standard expirations. Once you choose, decide scope, apply it to a single chat, group, or set it globally. Different scopes affect privacy and behavior. Make sure to save or confirm changes. Some systems require a second confirmation. Then send a test message to validate timing and behavior. If the test behaves as expected, propagate the setting to others. Finish by verifying the new timer across your devices so behavior is consistent. Synchronization issues are common, so make sure mobile and desktop match. Once verified, inform impacted users about the change and any limitations. Some clients don't respect server timers. If you encounter problems, try the key troubleshooting step. Clear the app cache and restart it, then recheck permissions and server sync status. If issues persist, roll back to the previous timer while you diagnose to avoid message loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.